How to remove a taillight on an Acura RDX. You'll need some kind of bar. If you're by yourself, you're going to need some kind of bar in order to hold the brake down. Or if you have a friend, you can have them push the brake to see which taillight is out. You'll need a flat head screwdriver and an 8mm ratchet, and your taillights. You're going to need part number 7443. First, take your bar. So I'm by myself. We're going to take this bar, put it on the brake pedal here, and slide the seat forward. Just enough to push that brake so we can get the taillights on. So that one is good, and this one is out. So first, you take your flathead screwdriver, pop these out. Take your other flat, pop that one out. Take your 8mm ratchet. Set that aside, get the other one. Once you unscrew those two, this tail light will just pop right out. And it is this bulb right here. So we'll unplug it just by pushing on this tab and pull out. And this should just turn right to the left and slide right out. And that is definitely a bad bulb. So we'll get this aside here. Grab the new bulb. And we're going to pull this one out. It'll just slide right out just by pulling on it. Slides right out. Get the new one, push it right in, and you can go either way with it. It's not a specific way that you put it in. Now that you have the new bulb, put it in there. It'll only go one way. Just gotta find where it fits perfectly. There it goes, and click, click, good to go. Plug that back in and put her back together. You can see we got a light now. Yay! All fixed. Now that one's definitely brighter. I might as well replace both now. Go and put these back in. There it goes. And you're good to go. Put those two in, put the little covers back on, and it's fixed. Now I replaced both of them. Same procedure. Now it looks even. No more light out. I hope this helps you.